Well, we are back. We are now give us scientific herbal clinic. Now, no, I details. And I felt in natural hospital called Dr. Philemon. I'm sure come on. The General Telegraph missing $4 million US mystery dippings, and police to investigate all NDC MPP. Okay, so the General Telegraph. Also, I don't know.
Yeah, the General Telegraph, the Bokrata and a air to us, and I asked them what they are, and they said, as some with a bomb. A can say diabetes for sika. Ye dear mamu, $4 million. More for me, a Juma or Mamoon, Sikanaira, you want some cry. Now, I'm off for some land from yet. I said, I say, well, do was to radio Sonia, and what's on some more. Say, I titru, Adom FM, Captain Smart, Faber was so. I just say, diabetes for yes, one more the proposal because Professor Amwa. And then pay for the proposal, I say, you hear diabetes center, diabetes clinic, why, Emma, one time $4 million, and I'm the Mao from 2009, and almost scanning a crack, and I was so much last, about 2013. I want this guy by, yeah, I feel you could be a conference at a big course. Professor Amos original, I was saying, yeah, oh, yeah, 60 clinics, oh, I dare, Mubagana, Musro, yeah, what diabetes clinics, I would draw her, a bin yet where you could hear Okoya rich. And while my back what to hold in the call, some people chopping for me was some commanders. So in fact, pictures are prof way showing you now. Hey, your hospitals are your own Ghana dada. It's where they free the quiet diabetes clinic. Yes, you see. Hey, yes, meeting us. Jai, one the Danny conference in Lubutu ye. Arusha, one more conference. They are going to, hey, who's the cinema? Your own canon too. Yes, conference and I saw why was started to show pictures now and my many pajamas. Where you Lekma Hospital, where you Rich Hospital, where you Kolebu. You see that? It's Mumbisa Papa. I feel you see meeting as a papa na papers. Or Chebrebi and I know the pepper. Now, I acquire some more. And say it's yes, I know world diabetes for say, and on by investigations on by Shagana ye. No by Shayen. Yes, Sika, nurse of what Sikanibia was here training nurses. I measure diabetes for I feel be or diabetes be our hospital. I will say you free. Just say Nina woman ye $4 million. American choppable money dollars. Omedi. I just can I use that. I washing. It's a son who has some a church and penny for more. It was some Koyano Telegraph the Bocratano Ewa Hanum. Police forces and their course were talency and they say a betuja or mobile and who she monom the one some ababetu a drama Ghana.
Weekend Sun. Deadly mistakes ex-President Jonathan made, his party man, and shocking secrets of Nyahu, down and out, caught the throne's Cape Coast king. The Weekend Sun, and also their bad. I don't know.
Weekend Sun, the Bocrata, as soon as somebody be abba. Na ne woka ene se ene se bi apiepie dia fa Dr. Nyaho tamaklu ehu unya da Bocrata ne bia no atobo na waka mu na yese omoso mko ye survey omno mafo kodi nkomo ebisa wo mo se ene odo ne sika opede wen odo ne sika de wen na ekoro amafo sa mufo muma eska
mufo mudo
muni mudo na muma eska na ene adan wo man na ye boa almost a man but Asemi, and you're crying, remember, could have a ma woman, Juma.
I got it.
What I say, and remember, yes, or dog, crassy, caca, so we heavy. Sani, Econo. Now, what do you wouldn't you do this? Carry a Dutch or Dutch or what do I know? Side become a dormidor or a new baby, Debbie, Cacrano, who cook room, what to toffee, what to hanky, what to win, Nadia Banach say, a man who say yes. Now, one me dormidor, no, what was I me door, no, Onyan or Dibedi, guy cry. It's a man or doca crassy, caca, as I say, near cook. It's the end the weekend Sunday, walk out there buffet, a Cape Coast, a year Ogama Hine. Osabe ma kusata eno so nra beto just court aye say yenyi din enfa free na nanama hemfo bedwa wo mo enkrata emu no eno so e the weekend Sunday Bokrata no.
Well, let us daily guide the Bokrata. 13,000 workers lose jobs over Dumso. An eye for eye comment, I can't be sacked, says Wayongo, and 2.1 billion cash chopped and 4 killed in Bimbila over meat.
Oh,
daily guide. Oh.
Every time. And I'm
Daily Guide.
Daily Guide, and I had air to us on a Daily Guide as somebody abba. And they say, and Ray, I tell us about Oka, and I, Ebeto just say, Ram Marco Yongo, so for no share, Fistamia Manuel, so, what you are two just at the end of the day, say, to trust them mobile, yet to trust them this year. Will be to me for 2 Missiana, friends, soon, she understands, a 22 echo, second as a kind echo, and at what kind of son, a month for chain, and say, Swafon Casasa, 18 Papa Crano, will see from me a pamono near the ade, and they were the abetuja was here, with me pamuno, with me pamuno, na some day, a security talk, and okay. I feel so could be bila, and Nam won't talk with Biaman Hoso, I'm many pan 9. And every when Namwa ye and nam eti and also I feel doom so esha say you say enipa a ye juma for best and pim do miensa and I almost so a juma above Daily Guide the Bokrata and somebody by any.
The Ghanaian Times, Royal Jade fined 25,000 Ghana cedi for selling unwholesome food to public. And National House of Chiefs await court order on Ogwa Hene. 4 killed, 10 injured in factional fighting in Bimbila. The Ghanaian Times, and also they are bound to pay. I don't know.
Ghanaian Times, the Bokrata, so some of the bound to pay. Nano and a better as a FDA for a year Food and Drugs Authority. Call no more call restaurants. I hold you maybe to just say Jade a restaurant. Yeah, a beer than some a beer East Legon. One more share woman near my woman the Adrian. Not to say any man a proper assay and a woman the Adrian Edmo mouthful. Omoko tutu omo prumuni ade and then ya bepi omo an say ya bo omo ka Jade Royal Jade restaurant for no ya bo omo ka 25,000 Ghana cedis say omo eton enuane a asay enuane e ho tie e de ema omafo afi National House of Chiefs for so mo twen near courts ebeka e de afa ogwa manhene no ho so munyi na na so mo ye de mo 20 court nsem no e no betimi e de aye adwuma sa so na bimbila enipa nan a yekun wo mu enam entokwa aman homre so enam ho ntokwa eman homre so no eno so ewo Ghanaian Times the Bokrata emo.
Give us scientific herbal father and the Bokrata Tiffany 7 bro. One of the give us cool capsules, give us power capsules, and give us herbal mixture aba ejaso opebiato uskubi on koko Halos herbal or kanshi drug lane AMS or Takra the Glow Steve Mankasim PK Gombila or Tamalin Data Pharmacy or Bolga or Boni Pharmacy or Wa Freddy Mens El Kumasi and a drugstores and a pharmacy shop biano unya bi ato ewo. Forgive us. That was 0543 222 470 and 0506 851135. Now no one endings also na bibia intimi enko kama. One other remark. And the Obokata a year Tiffany 7 Edinburgh 1760 L text message line. Daily Graphic. SIC under auctioneers Gavel and NAB warns public stay clear of 51 unaccredited institutions. Yeah, they are making institutions. And Azoka. Bamba boys to be disbanded. Invisible forces, Bulgar Bulldogs will not be spared. Okay, so in good yes, Yahoo good Jessica, Nafi and confess.
Kwabination na wabobo institutions here, ya woni ese atwi ehun fafi wo hu ye hwe mu ye. Na me kanfo eye GTP, e fam o manfo say me ne kwabina ye tuma nyina GTP, e na kwabina de ne ye GTP New Star. Na GTP papa na ne odwudwa e ma me eye Fafali clothing e wotema community 8 eye simple but nice. So hu etu pebi sa na no afre 0243 127740 0243 127740 Fafali clothing for Tema Community 8 C Road honomwo omonsano ye fe papa etigu hu na womuntimi dwudwudwa styles papa obetimi di akoba bia a ebema wa ho fe no so awie pay.
Well, mofa China and Jibril ntimi nya say adwuma efi say ehia pa bi wie chi na fe say bako say 2 years 3 years 4 years matua sika so say Sukuru National Accreditation Board for Mr. Kwame Date, Executive Secretary, National Accreditation Board, on this stay clear of 51 unaccredited institutions, and according to NAB, National Accreditation Board, no schools Academy of Professional Studies, El Takrade, the Africa International College, El Accra, the Bechem Polytechnic, the Ganata College of Art and Design, Accra, the Global School of Aviation, Tema, Kumasi, the ACS Professional College, Accra, the Hack Holland Institute, Accra, the Harvard School of International Marketing and Language Skills, Accra, the West Africa Computer Science Institute, Adabraka, Accra, the Queen's Lincoln University Center of Distance Learning Education, Accra, the Institute of Export and Shipping Management, Takrade, Kumasi, Accra, the International School of Aviation, Tema, the International Travel Tourism Institute, Achimota, ICPS, Tesano, Accra, Jabez College, Takrade, the Management Accountancy Technology Institute, Dansuman, Accra, the Oracle University, Kumasi. Others are the School of Management and Professional Studies, Kumasi, the Staff College Consult, Accra, the International English Language Teaching and Learning University, Laboni, SDA School, Accra, the West Africa Computer Science Institute, Adabraka, the International Christian College of Excellence, East Legon, the International Institute of Journalism, Tamale, the King Amin Islamic Institute, Aguna Swedru, and the Teachers and Duat Training Institute, Medina, Accra. And we have Center for Memorization of the Holy Quran, Accra, the SMPS, South Central Kumasi, the Bechem Business College, Bechem BA, Delta University College, Keta, the University of Jesus of Nazareth, Nelson, the Training Center, Mankasim, the Institute of Advanced Communication and Computer Education, North Kaneshi, the Genesis Professional Institute, Patasi, the Dosoni Training Health Institute, La Paz, Accra, and then it continues. The rest are Greenwich University College, Tema, and it's a whole lot. I think it's a kind of, but still watch out for Uncope Graphic and to page 16. Yabubo bi ya so akabe enimbi a yentime emo so yebeko. Daily Graphic diaba. National Accreditation Board wants public to stay clear of 51 unaccredited institutions, and SIC under auctioneers Gavel as Kabamba Boys to be disbanded. Invisible Forces, Bolga Bulldogs will not be spared. Daily Graphic.
Daily Graphic, the Bokata, and so, and I day at was so. Nania Benny, I say, a nay, Pressy for woman Yabrepa, a quick walk with opportunity, and what your manual semi emo vigilante group study a canono, Yawa Azoka Boys, Bamba Boys, Invisible Forces, Bolga Bulldogs, and confirm.
Confirm association you want to know.
Yes, strict and confirm. Yes, I'm almost so. And you say a quick would do a paper, and one man you say we told that yes, say to trust some coso, ya but so many again, and one more yes, and press for any abrom or some movie but two sapa, ya, and yes, Kumatusha, Azoka, so for Azoka, and I feel Muta Bamba, woman, Womudino, Achapa. It's almost so elmufoni and a graphic the bokata a day a buyer and nuti or the one summer to Jaffe. As you may for so, I a wild dear one more air dare, a far and nation is casam, one must say ayetare, or many emu, and once as some ninano, Okunya graphic idea, and as a scusa, Woodwa, now or my ebony in a scusa, National Accreditation Board for. Just say, or mouth for a short moon or who say, and yadi or my woman at 2 moon into your graphic in be an hour to what and I say, now what can carry who some millionaire.
New Weekend Crusading Guide, Parliament to quiz Works and Housing Minister on storm drains cash, and I won't resign over violence begets violence, Gaff, Interior Minister, and Star Times sues Ghana at ICC over digital migration contract. Ketasco Headmaster Holt, accused of corruption, harassing and intimidating PTA executives. New Weekend Crusading Guide.
The New Weekend Crusading Guide, the Bokata and so some more diaba. And it's a Sanya, I told you the Bokata Bino. A year or Marco Yongo, we neck and Jane, who no yes for our share a fisum so, or Mafo so see film, a funny son what they got to ja, Fabas Masai see what telling see one year there was one see. Was in that AC no tom to Munya Canonia. Ketasco, headmaster or honor, a teacher for any teacher for one, our phone come on, what you say, Pape, send your hand any popo nani extra one a fair proyede kankan ni ade nyina no one more bomodin asuja e de agu papa ni chemu a one more airborne de mrahye bedwafo eso se soafo a wo hwe enwuma ne adanse hu sensem so omra mekirem sika bi a 45 million euros ya de chaban e de ma wo man se ye fa tetetete ye fa nye gates na ye fa tetetete gates mu ni ade de kodi odi scan ye no wo mekirem e fa enkyerem mrahye bedwafo ntino owurado aja ho a wote adwemu e na wafre se soafo na kasamra se ne deputy ko ya no ko yi nsem bi se no se he on fisusa ye pepanyi no ogboro na kasa womra na yetimi enhwe sem no senia eko.
Well, you very quick one headlines a break any for the Enquirer the Democrat or say fallout from Talensi do fear grips Nana frighteningly calls on MPP to prepare for tougher campaign and Pusagman in trouble over chop chop. Government provides free NHIS for 1,000 aged at Asawase and Wayos altruism reaches in Shiaim as he builds clinic, donates goodies. And towards halting desertification, Green Ghana program launch. The Enquirer, the Obokata, also there, or the Abba, and no. It was already the Daily Dispatch, the Obokata, and it was and Daily Dispatch. Comments over electoral violence, Mark Wayongo must resign or be sacked. And summary of 2010 census on Cape Coast Metropolis, the Daily Dispatch, and also there, or the Abba, and no. And the insight, the Obokrata, the insight, SFG on IMF deal, and Woyomi under more pressure. Woyomi under more pressure. Photographs, Setekwe and Alfred Agbesi, Woyomi, and inside the Obokrata, and also Ediaba. The Daily Searchlight, the Bokata, in service to God and country, Kenneth J. Crunch, say, economic hardships may not win MPP elections group, and disgraced Woyongo won't resign. And the big one, getting even commission targets Kufuor. That's it. Daily Searchlight, the Bokata, and also there, or the Abba, I don't know. And finally, I'm saying the Herald. The Herald, out of hiding, Kenya Japan threatens Azoka boys, and Freddie Blay and a Kufuor boy covering up MPP defeat as Ni Aikoyotu cries over hijacking of Paul Afoko and Kwabene Japan's job. Flagstaff House mocks Jujuman, Gabi Ochre Dako, and digital TV migration to create 7,000 jobs. Omane Boama, the Herald, the Obokata, and also there, or the Aban. Finally, the Chronicle. Your taxes are too much, ICU tells government, and dollar hoarders storm Forex Bureau for CD. Big one, ghost fathers 3 children and vanishes from marital home. The Chronicle, the Wakata, and also the Adibetoja and the parent. Give us scientific care about for us, so I say, only the Wakata Tiffany, Rocket Father, online stories, and what you win your coin. Now, what Timony Edin South, wedding to Brown, so over free, but the Aquaba, Yaba, the online stories better also.
Wase akosia me show e wo bukruwa kwawu. Kwa bukruwa se ho na nana brifa.
Okay.
Odi hin eja brifa di hin wo kwa bukruwa na wase wo chia ne manfo nyina Isaac e Japan wo assembly member e wo bukruwa e no san ye NPP communications director Ebitifi constituency. Enti Isaac ya da se wo hwe ya no pen. Okay,
so that's it. Yeah, could try a home minute back kwaba. Yeah, ba down for Jai herbal products. One of the down for Jai betters. And a Davojai mixture, Abba Ejaso, Eba, Bunya Quenya, no what me friend. I'm here doing come brother friend on 0302 211 701 up to 4. 0302 211 701 up to 4. Davojai betters and a mixture darament here, Kwaba. You better than Fujai, herbal products for us, one or the air than Fujai, betters and an mixture about just so be now, Pebiata, the Nabuacho, Okaishi Drugland, Kenswalk, Okaishi Drugland, Kumasi Freddy Mensa, and Akolinak, Takwa, the A Mensa Market Cycle, Bogoso, Unique Herbs and more, Takwa, Owas, Ebibidrufi, Obuasi Smart Herbal, Sunyani, Mosaic Pharmacy, and our Green Light Pharmacy. For Dr. Asnod and Mama Ruby on 020-7872-155 and 0246-493230. Now, what to me, anyone at the air and so. Gacho, good morning. Apom to say. Hello, Gacho, good morning.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Anoma Abubo Ghana, apom to say.
No, yeah, pa.
Mamentia, Mala, Wato, na, after mention Abu Tita Fatiaka, Mexican tradition. I will teach after to answer a assembly man or Sampa, but you will be on a Permisiano. Now, a man in the radio, they put a gig from the last one. Yes, from Wabap, yes, from Adobro. Yes, from yes, ya Menka, now some GMO man because a kind of the Quack of Bonne. Yes, from our job, bro. We did go to give from now. I'm going to be beyond the 2G. Now, we are on the pay the thread beyond the 2 many minutes in media.
Okay,
your mind, we are manning. I'm in cray. I'm a big laugh for mammy.
yeah, that's it.
In a minute.
I was just having a person.
Ashaven, I'm watching more quabo.
Major, so now you are cobna or my cobna and what to say.
Adom, you and I are who now so.
Mr. Rocket, not something to say, actually, is on a jungle check. My in the covenant and Mr. Okashi and T. What's the actual no money movie?
Ah, come
Mati,
anyway, money is in tea. And my movie started a day, 9 beats in a way. I'm a for Konya organizer one, Ebu, radio any talent here, Kofi Adams, on your judges, Mama Zena Buma organizer. Mean your mind as anti Rapti Sudan or so chop of Alpha. Minya may come anymore. Yeah, that's right. Minya, some might be a mass Jim Brana. Now, no, say, Minya, Akusia, now, my now, what talent see. Now, she no more be no more crosswalk. Next time. Mr. Minister cried by and Gila Minister say, Cabecura Casicate, Uncle Pona Zoka Boys and Bulldog, Yamma Lances to be, say the Uncle Pony and Yam Brasama, yet we're in a foyer, and she taking responsible. I didn't know better. Yet Mitch no not being so many Bulldog or so many white people. Timothy DC cow upon a test and Abu Puni Pepper plan. And now Zoka Boys in a band on the previous or Muchina, and Mantaka Basabatamba, Minia, Casara, and this national executive can Yamini no Kuni. But one other one said, I didn't. Because we not China the party office. No, we show some class. I did. We have much of my party in Napa and it's Nabati to tell me Pastra. Now it is a yes, they are training the Pabino. This one is in the dicey. His excellency take responsible not provide the security. And that's a better thing because we had the seat talency, not because of that day na yes to Abano. The Empa ballot to Pamama Church, rain a da, not watch it. The corner is at the end, not contracted, no, Cheska, not the ballot to picture. I say so, don't have a drum of fossil. I bet as a boy to the Mokan. No, you ever see a penny for it, and no more be a cost of me who challenge you. I had the cost for this election, and yet,
you, that's it, that's Ashaven. My father honorable stadium, so honorable stadium Wakwaba.
Yeah,
I'm Bachon to saying.
Oh, I'm not. That is me for the. That's really to me, a printer minimum say after Daniel de Mayam. Now, many media and pay American cheer, Chairman Zito, or was saying our and it is Chairman or my sister and son. Now, no more, my Peninabaso. That's a Opa, she had name was that. Could be electrification project cost extension of electricity. Supplies almost supply fertilizers with the mercury for higher than at the pan at the thread here. I am to pie a quite. So free for the quite and glass. Let's say, oh my, and yan, fam, say I say, no, now, if you are been to us and one for the bed, 4 kilometers, no word to Quabin to us and a crime, say I say, because this was over 1 hour near Louis. Now, was Simon Fit Central, the whole district, my friend Dr. Penny. So, Mamma, Paina, something say, a quine in our face, Cuckoo Rose, the Mansi Central district, say your man for be a contract there any from omuntu wana mo because the whole district go down ni be a system the no name at this this tiwa me dey to man panyin anim that say o ye adwuma pa na mum ne man ke say fine o tu ana mo o isi region ni ba bi numa no abasa hwe ni wasa ha abegwai.
Okay, yeah, that's it. Nana Berma Insura, is it correct? Nana, good morning. I hope you say. Hello, Nana, good morning. I hope you say.
Hello.
Nana, good morning. I hope you say. Okay, Edbesiana Yako, Enim Nanantianka. Some of your text messages, NPP will never cease to be ashamed of themselves after losing tenancy by election. They now look everywhere for flimsy excuses as to why they lost. Sule Bawa or Nima and Adiama from Fado in Kinkensu. Hey, Mark Wayungu, an NDC party. Is this how old wise scholars are supposed to govern the nation? Nana Branche, good morning. I'm to say.
Good morning, Omahene Nyamiado Miho.
Yeah, Nana, it's you.
Omahene, my main chairman, I can boss, SS to a assemblyman for Chano Pano, and not Casco, a bit to about Momina. Me, I can have a boss, Mr. and come on also. Omahene, what them plan say? Young guy, be able to say, and yes, I'm a Mamuha. Do not see Kuwait, we boys, yeah, we move boys, yeah, we move boys, and that is some good about. Just from goodness, I do with a day back. Yeah, that's correct. I'm on your cool and tree and collapful, then tree and crop, and tomopho. Nay, to try seminal, but a pass seminal now to me, you're better than my move. Eh, me and paying for the Musco, when you phone them on Musca, and you man, your best will be your passing great gun on my mother. Me, I got a bucket of rats when you fit the channel.
All right, that's honorable praise. Go on and I'm to say.
Oh, my major, so no, my no small pumboko there.
Namiadum Boko.
I feel, ma'am, what they say, Nakopo Shan and or boy, Juma.
Honorable Prince, what do I know? Don't you a be intimate wall into the cost was
Oh, my, oh, Uncle, him say, Obano, Upeso can be channel. Na, me can now oversaw the one of home, Messero, me bar, me cham wife for Amma, my channel. Na, Mina minimum adequate, me cham wife. They look at me, Mano Doyle living with me. Now the oversaw demon poor. Messero. Na me chairman wife. O my me fa kunyo so fanchia me chairman Gideon baby obi a me chairman Gideon.
Okay.
O my him say ye be sha 2000 abra na o mampanyi kofo ene yewura former president Wallace ene yewura fifi mesha wonya ne baby ko no. Tamana campaign e koso o magana no. Na nye sa no ma we na esisi o mam ne bi ni o man mu. Na ya asundue o mampanyi kofo de ewlade kasasa na de eye ya beje ekunya free o mampanyi Rollins nsem. Na ba ne sei ena ma de sei yewura Mahama ene yewura Akufado. Ye sei yekoto abakwa na o man Ghana na eye mo hihye yi. Eba ne sei ye be se sampani for me no. Omo Ghana unhia omo face because Ghana na eye asundwe man. Politics na eye no man mo ha no. Enye se bempedia sa obepetumi a ese tintina at all cost ese otimi je akunya de free oyonkosam enti eno no odi ntokwa ene urukade ede kan say urukade na ode beje akunya no ye be said na Akufado oni ye ura president John Dramani Mahama say omma asunjwe mre o manim no man na ngasa na yatimu o manim no ye mu chire dada yesika se no ma bibia nkoye enti e ko ba say so mu bepetumi no mo de sa urukade ene sa ntokwasem ene sa de no e ba o man mu a ye be sere o mo so mo pese o mo fo o man na o mo kan kire e de ye mpe ba be nkonkotena no mo mi no mo tena o man no mo fo o man no o man na etimu no ye pasundue ye pe ntokwa
my na was that's pi akosia osofo runabout person ole kasa
osofo runabout
yeah osofo runabout
osofo runabout o fefi
no
mind crow yo bacha mayeti o
no pede metia motiefo nyina na matia onabo kokura di no menu enti papa public accounts committee chairman no ma central bo afra di ni se one ye number 1 enti papa
ya na wachia ayido mama hine nso ama me
tia wa sajufo na aduma bedu wato si mi one na ma tia mo na no paripa rabi mu bia ni se o mu ye
enema across war about to more talent no na airtime na e be say penny for say say manema we dey no and if you pa so would be every empty na am ahwe ne yede ne ma na kakra bia obedi ne nankwanti da ko pesika ye de mama beto de na bi na wakwa ko pewu ne bi na wakwa hawu ne bi na wakwa sewu ne bi life ye frem penny for ne say omo de no mo fo mani ento fom na sa na nyama nyina omu taso na mi tie mi nuanom emabu no say saka kabisam pasa sana na ko ye frem tani pa no o ma ne banko bi o ma ne yiri nko bi o ma ne buhia ni bi anko bi wa wuti ba bi a wo gro no akwa fa no wa kan wati dum no mo akwa ye pasa ade ba ti na dia banka ba gu sana wa twen ho na o ho tro ye frem yo nuanom say se penifo no ban sa so no ka se ko boala ka se ko ya bata dia wo ne ne ya fa we de no manko ya ne ti asema ofi ne no ba so betimi de ne yene ne manko dia ene sa de no nyina mu ni ati na manko so wati en fa ne yene ne manko fo na busu ni bia nko na se ko ba se wo no agya na busu no ofi no so ko do ko menko no ko ba ha papa
that's it
mo ni nyame nyaduma ya
that's it so far on about nyame shira.
Well, lawyer, good morning. Appoint to say.
Oh, you
Yet your lawyer.
Me cheveni abano.
Majoso.
But you over there, madam, Kakrevi. And they said, you pay for Mahama. President Mahama, Kufado, so say, never be able to. Because the lens of the young could be the treasure. I go to the show. The Akoko so honor. The threat. President Mahama. Then I kiss his son. Say no way to see it. Son. This is the answer. The Babano. You never be able to. Which will be all
right, yeah, that's it. Akosia Kwame Tewi Kasa free Takwa.
Kwame Tewi Takwa to saying.
Takwa de boko.
Yo, be me na ma yeti o.
Ebe ni den. Ade achi ade. Eda mfa adwuma ye fo ni na ase. Adom ye fo na adwuma ye fo na de bi ara ase. Na de meka ne se Dana fo nhwe ye wo politicians bo ho pa. It is a young year, no matter Cossodon, and yet shall be about Terence. Never. Mending this will be back and one I shall be busy in India, come one. No matter Cossodon, there will be more train. Now, Miss Fraser, the politicians in the balance, Sicano or the Bamoa, Massa. Now, Kona Coco Kulia, India, Jack. So, Obizumo, Sicana, what you not also Coco Basabasa. Ya chiwa aboni din no chira na won train na so no so kokko dem bia o chira onye sa ade ni bio e do bi bia last the chair and this communication director so mon kan say na dan for water kwachi bia no
okay that's it
well akosia yemfa you chat to okra hello good morning apom to say kusi bafo apom to say all right so Elbesia William Mike Mike Papa da form Kumasi aye ni memenda we are William and Mike you can William Mike you should know gospel musicians are across the length and breadth of Africa and beyond on the Ghana akudum pempenswa enya de ketu akra ntino Mike Papa da form ye be ye no Kumasi so na bela samwa unyo ye kuna hene ono so no kani da form na me adma ye na hyase an sa memenda de beta so ye ewo kuna bela samwa nana kuna mahene so anope yako busuafo nyina etai wachi yadisi na ya wish you be the best of the day obokoso na hwe bedwem efise nyoma pa ana edisu a yede ebro akusia mama esika
na me esika ya ho ye na Dr. Buzia kwa opipiase wo se woda adofo a mubegya no bra ne maame efiri mu ne nyina oda mu nyina ase
yadisi wala sai crowd that kwesi ebro